Which dam in India has the destination of being the longest mainstream dam in the world? Tehri Dam. The Damodar Valley project concerns two states. West Bengal and Jharkhand. Which state irrigation is done by Rihand Dam project? Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is constructed on which river? Krishna. The world's longest masonry dam is Nagarjuna Sagar. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam was built on Krishna River. Which of the following railway zones and their headquarters is not correct? South Central Hyderabad. In which one of the following places is the headquarters of the Northeastern Railway located? Gorakhpur. Wheels and axles for railways are produced. At Bengaluru. The main drawback of the railway network in India is the presence of three types of gauges. Konkan Railway connects Roha, Mangalore. Which of the following newly manufacturing unit is going to be established by Indian Railway? Wheel Factory Chapra. Which city is the headquarters of two railway zones in India? Mumbai. The width or the broad gauge track in Indian Railway is 1.676 meter. The longest railway platform in India. गोरखपुर।